I just want to share with you a little product, and it's not a review or anything, but I just want to show you something. I bought this little gadget. It's a headband, but it's Bluetooth. Now, I think I paid around 11 Australian dollars for it. It's got the little buttons, a bit hard to feel. You charge it through that little hole there. Now, it's my first day. I've got it on my head. It's like a sweatband, I suppose. There's two speakers in it, one there and one in behind there. So it can sit on your ears. It's actually quite comfortable. I think you could wear it sleeping. So it's just a matter of pause the center one there, skip to the next song, hold it in to turn it off. Yeah, it pairs very quick, instantly to my phone. Yeah, so for such a cheap thing, and the thing is with the other headphones that we have, they're $300 or $400, some of them, and you wreck them, you get all paint and you get dust and stuff in them. I really can't see how the dust would affect this headphones here. And you can answer phones with it. I did test it this morning. You can answer a phone with it, and the microphone actually is quite clear. So there you go. So that was on eBay. I'll see if I can find a link to it and stick it underneath the video. But yeah, cool little gadget, and goes on your head. So that's it. Yeah, so there's nothing to fall out. It can't fall out. It can't fall out, you see there? So it can't fall out, and just to turn it on, it's just a matter of, there's actually physical buttons behind there that you can press, that you can feel. So if any problem with it, it would be because this cover here is really not that good. But you get used to it. I wore it a bit last night and I'm wearing it today.